Hello, this is Mary Jo Timlin from the Teaching Your Toddler Show. Today we have a very special guest. Board certified Dr. Alexis Stevens joins us today to talk to us about sleep and then also what we can do if we can't get enough sleep. So welcome to the show, Dr. Stevens. Tell us a little bit about what beauty rest is.
Yeah. So thank you so much for having me. And beauty rest is a term that we've all heard before, but it is undoubtedly very real. So when we are sleeping, our skin is in its ultimate repair, restorative mode. And this is because we're getting a lot of blood flow to the skin. This makes it so much more receptive to the products that we're putting on. So making sure that your skincare routine at night is on point is extremely important because this is the time where your skin really wants to kind of repair any of that damage that happened throughout the day.
Oh, that's amazing. So we really are fixing ourselves overnight. So it's really important to put specific things on our skin. What can we do to help repair our skin while we're sleeping?
Yeah. So some of the most important ingredients to use at night are going to be things like AHAs and BHAs. So you may have heard of lactic acid and salicylic acid that falls into that category. They really help with exfoliating the skin and really increasing skin cell turnover, which gives this beautiful kind of radiant glow to the skin that everyone loves. But it's really important to hydrate too. One of my absolute favorite ingredients to hydrate and moisturize with is glycerin. And then you want to make sure you're repairing your skin barrier. You're doing things that are going to help it be anti-inflammatory and strengthen. So niacinamide is my go-to ingredient for that. And then peptides, because we all want to do everything we can to minimize any fine lines.
Absolutely. So I know a lot of my listeners are moms, and sometimes they can't get all the sleep they need. So what do we do if we can't get sleep, if we have dark circles or things like that?
Yeah, so I relate as a mom of two very young children. And sometimes we don't get the sleep that we need. And sometimes, even when we do, we still look a little tired when we wake up. So, making sure we use the right products is going to be really important. Nighttime, I would really focus on using those ingredients that we just talked about. And you can find all of them in the Olay Super Serum Night Repair. This one combines literally 5 different ingredients in that one bottle. So you're basically using almost 5 different serums at one time to really get everything in there that can help with repairing and restoring the skin. As a busy mom, like most of your listeners, you can really, benefit from not having to use so many different products and just using one product that can do so much for you.
Absolutely. Yeah. Quick and easy. That's very important.
Yeah.
So I think what you just showed us with the night formula, what can we do to sort of wake up our skin?
So one of the things that really we all kind of struggle with from time to time is dark circles around the eyes or eye puffiness. So making sure that you use ingredients that can actually combat that is going to be really important. So caffeine, we know, really can help with getting rid of some of that puffiness. Niacinamide is good for the dark marks and strengthening the really delicate skin around the eyes. Vitamin C is an amazing brightening ingredient. And again, peptides always for the win. So making sure that you look for a product that has those ingredients is going to be really important. I am a huge fan of the Olay Super Eyes Daily Eye Serum because it has all of those things in it and it's nice and lightweight. So if you want to wear makeup afterwards or just put on your sunscreen, you're going to feel like you have basically a little bit of a canvas to really make that next product look even better.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much. So, anyone that's listening to this podcast, please make sure you check out our YouTube channel because Dr. Stevens has beautiful skin and she is showing some of the
Oh,
products
thanks.
that on the video. So where can we go to get more information about what you've just talked to us about?
Yeah, you can go to olay.com to get more information about the products or visit your local retailers. Both products are in the stores.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the show today.
Of course, thanks for having me.
Bye-bye.
Okay.